Instagram wants to get rid of likes. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Welcome back to InformOverload. We do the news and we make it entertaining. Sorry, I have hiccups right now. I'm Charlotte Dobre, hit that sub button, and by the way, we are on Instagram. If you want to follow the IO team on that gram, check out the description for all the links to our social media handles. Also, I want to know, would it be so bad if Instagram got rid of likes? Tell me your thoughts down there in the comments. Bear with me, I have hiccups, but I also feel like it's funny, so let's just do it with the hiccups. Likes have taken over our lives. Did you even do something cool if you didn't post about it and get a bunch of likes on Instagram? When you get a lot of likes on an Instagram photo, it makes you feel good. But if you don't get a lot of likes, you feel kind of worthless. A lot of the time people even delete posts from their feed that they don't get what they see is an adequate number of likes. It's insane how much value we've placed on those double taps, but we have, and Instagram knows it. That's why they're thinking about changing up one of the main aspects of their app. They want to get rid of likes. According to screenshots, Instagram is testing out a way to hide the like counts on Instagram posts so that the number of likes is only viewable to the person whose post it is. The screenshots were shared by researcher Jane Manchung Wong, and they show that Instagram feed posts didn't show like counts, but instead they showed that a post was liked by a few handles and quote others. Instagram shared this message in-app. During this test, only the person who shared a post will see the total number of likes it gets. So it seems that hiding the likes was just a test for some users. In a statement, an Instagram spokesperson said that the feature is not being tested at the moment, but that they are exploring ways to reduce pressure on Instagram. Instagram has been criticized heavily in the past for its effect on mental health. In 2017, the Royal Society for Public Health conducted a survey of 1,500 14 to 24-year-olds in the UK, and they asked users about their experiences with the 5 main social media sites: Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. According to this survey, Instagram was found to have the most negative influence overall, and it affected users' body image, fear of missing out, sleep, and it also had an effect on anxiety, depression, feelings of loneliness, and bullying. To be honest, I've had conversations with my best friend about the fact that she hates Instagram and she always compares herself to other people, how skinny they are compared to her, how nice people's clothes are in comparison to hers. This isn't necessarily all Instagram's fault. It's more of a problem with our generation. Millennials as well as Generation X are obsessed with the need for validation, and likes have become a facilitator of that validation. In fact, Instagram likes are pretty much a legal way of getting a drug fix. According to a 2016 study by UCLA, likes were associated with greater activity in neural regions implicated in reward processing, social cognition, imitation, and attention. Your brain feels rewarded when you get a lot of likes. It's the same type of stimulation that happens in the brain when you do drugs, and it can also be very addictive. I personally am kind of conflicted about the idea of Instagram taking away likes. Sure, I will admit that likes affect my mental health. Yes, they affect yours too. I guess I've put less importance on likes because I do get likes, but I also find it frustrating that I'm driven by likes. A meaningful moment in my life gets far less praise than a photo of me in a bathing suit. I mean, I do look good in a bathing suit, but you get what I mean. What do you think? Should Instagram get rid of likes? Let me know some of your personal experiences with Instagram and how it's made you feel down there in the comments. For now, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comment features. Jack Carroll said, please don't do accents. Actually, I dare you to do an Irish accent. Do you want me to do accents or do you not? Make up your mind. Valerie said, we watch CNN 10 every day at school and sometimes y'all have the same stories. Every time that happens, I find myself thinking how much better you are. Abid Hassan said, I want to put forward one thing. You're doing a great job. I want you to cover topics like black hole theories or Bermuda Triangle. Those are engrossing to all of us. I absolutely will consider this. Thank you for the suggestion. We also cover a lot of that stuff on our other channel, Life's Biggest Questions. Actually, funny story, Jack was filming a video called Can We Harvest Energy from a Black Hole as I was writing this video. SHNC DIY said, I love your videos. I'm new here to your YouTube channel. At first watching the news was boring, but you guys make it interesting. Keep going and best wishes from Sophia. Thank you so much for saying that, Sophia, and thank you for subscribing. Cookie Play said, I didn't smack the like button, I booped it. I'ma boop you. Beep, beep. Beep. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I'm gonna go drink some water and try and get rid of my hiccups, but if you wanna keep watching this channel, there's a playlist right over here. And obviously you should leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so I can see you in a future IO video. Wait.